Is baking soda really the miracle teeth whitener it's hyped up to be? Let's break it down in stunning 3D. Baking soda's use for dental care goes back thousands of years. But does that mean it works?
Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural compound known for its mild abrasiveness and pH balancing properties.
It works by removing surface stains through gentle scrubbing, not by bleaching or altering the color of enamel.
The results? Slightly whiter teeth, but mostly due to polishing, not deep stain removal.
Baking soda helps neutralize acids in the mouth, which may help reduce plaque buildup over time. But overuse can wear down enamel. That outer layer protects your teeth. Once it's gone, it doesn't grow back.
Dentists recommend using it no more than 2-3 times per week, and always with caution. Despite the hype, baking soda isn't a miracle whitener. It's just one tool in your dental care kit. For long-lasting results, consider dentist-approved whitening methods, especially for deep stains. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more 3D dental insights.